Upchain is the only CAD-centric multi-tenant SaaS PLM software on the market today. In fact, Upchain is CAD agnostic. A single plugin is used to manage all CAD integrations, including SolidWorks, CATIA NX, Inventor, AutoCAD, and PTC Creo. Upchain plugins are designed to provide an integrated yet seamless experience. For example, I can easily see my assignments. It looks like I have an assignment to modify the thickness of a cog belt. Selecting the assignment presents me with more detailed info. The cog belt is too thin and we are seeing disintegration at high revs. Selecting the relevant documentation allows me to see a markup image of the precise problem. Note that I don't even have to browse or search for the item. All information is presented directly in the assignment itself. I simply right-click on the object inside the assignment to open the object directly from the assignment itself. Note how quickly the assembly is retrieved into session. Upchain utilizes powerful local caching technology, which facilitates amazing performance on even the largest of assemblies. By simply right-clicking on the cog belt, I can check it out. And here on the right-hand side in the CAD plugin, we're going to note some green text. Note the green text and the green lock icon on the cog belt and the top level assembly. This clearly indicates to me that I have these objects checked out. And of course, my colleagues who also use Upchain will receive notification in their environments that I have these objects checked out. Again, a simple right-click on the cog belt allows us to open. Let's make the necessary changes. Let's rebuild our model. Refresh. And let's go back to the assembly. Let's check in the top level assembly. Again, a simple right click on the top level. Here I am presented with a check-in form which designates which files have changed or not changed. For the files that have changed, I can enter in a simple change description, which will then be available later on in revision history information. And let's select OK to check in the assembly. Once everything is checked in, we can see the checkout locks have of course been removed on the cog belt and the top level assembly. Navigating to the assembly and the visualization environment clearly shows the thicker cog belt. Let's measure just to be safe. So as we've seen, Upchain's CAD connector allows the CAD user a seamless, transparent experience for capturing, managing, and sharing their CAD data throughout the Upchain environment.